Hey guys, so today I am so excited because I'm sitting on an unboxing that I'm going to film for you guys, and it's not everyone's exciting thing, but for me this is super exciting and I'm really excited for it. So without further ado, I'm going to move back and we'll get into unboxing this and see it together. So I'm so excited. So I've got my scissors and legit, this box is, I can't even lift it. Let's see. Oh, it's huge. Oh, jeebers. Okay, it's heavy and big, so let's cut those puppies. Yeah, this morning I was like, I wasn't even dressed or anything. I'm just like chilling around. And, let's open it. Yeah, and so I'm just chilling, hanging out at home, doing my thing, and, yeah, not dressed, nothing. And I hear this loud knock on my door, so I, peek out my window, and I'm like, oh crap, that's, the mail. I saw the mail. Already in Crowley around. Already thinks Crowley. Anyway, so I hear this loud knock, and I, look, and I'm like, oh, it's the mail. I was thinking it was, a different thing. I wasn't thinking I was gonna get this right away, but I answer, and she's already back to her thing because I had to throw on my house coat and answer the door looking like crap. But I was like, I want my mail. So yeah, and I was so excited and I got it and I'm like, yay! So as by the title you can know what this is, but so I've wanted a dance pole for forever. No lie, I have danced on poles since middle school. I remember having a friend in middle school and we'd have sleepovers at our house and she had a basement. There was poles in her basement and we'd always practice dancing on them. And I know it's not everyone's forte, but this is something I love. So I remember when I would go to the bars, I would always dance on the pole, not take off my clothes or anything, but I always enjoyed it. And I've been working on my upper arm strength. There's no way I can do anything now, I bet. But I really wanted, I can't even lift this. I just have to lift the box in full. There's no way of pulling this out. If you can see, I have to just rip it. But, yeah, so I pulled, so it's more something I kind of keep in because I'm anxious and I'm scared of what everybody thinks of me. So I kind of keep this side to myself, right? Well, recently I've realized people who love you, you don't need to hide it from them. And I've recently shared that kind of part of me with Rusty, and he bought me my pole. So I can start practicing and all that stuff and working on pole fitness and all that stuff. Throw that away. But yeah, so that is why I got a pole. It was something I wanted. It's something I've wanted my whole life. Let's not beat around the bush or anything. It's me. I'm excited for this and I can't believe I got it, and I will show you. Oh, hear that big clunk? I can't even lift this thing, it's so hard. So heavy. There's my pole. You see? It's so heavy. I can't even lift the box and I'm expected to lift myself on the pole. I'm just so bloody curious, so I'm gonna bring you over and show you the box. So this is the X Dance fitness pole, professional dance pole. I did my research. I was originally just gonna get one off of Spencer's, and then shipping was an extra $40, so I checked on eBay, and the one with the best reviews that I checked on other sites was here. So this one's no ceiling fixtures required, 2 poles in one, static and spinning, so it can either move or stay still. Installation DVD included in the box, which is cool because I don't like reading. Well, I hate reading instruction manuals. Everything you need in a dance pole. screw together tube joints for maximum stability. Double width support dome that covers 2 ceiling joints, 250 millimeters and 125 millimeter extensions included. 4 separate height adjustments, 7 foot 4 inches to 9 feet, and perfect for in-home use. This is all it comes with, and this is my new baby. I'm so excited for her. Experience the exciting world of dancing pole exercise in your own home. Like, I live somewhere, like, I've always thought, like, dance, like, pole fitness and stuff was cool. I'm, like, destroying this box, but I'm so excited. Oh. I don't even think I can open this. So here I was thinking I could open this pole, but it's so heavy I can't even lift it. So I'm just honestly gonna wait until Rusty does it because, yeah. But you basically got to see my full pole, all the exciting stuff of it, and once I get it set up, I'm gonna kind of like do progress videos of like pole fitness, all that stuff, which I'm excited for. And yeah, so he's gonna set this up for me this weekend because he's got the weekend off, and he's like, I texted him, I was like, oh, look what came, and he's like, oh, I know what I'll be doing this weekend. Like, so that is my stripper pole unboxing video. I know it's not everyone's forte, but it is mine, and I need to be more myself, so I thought I'd share the real me of my excitement getting a stripper pole because it's so exciting. But yeah, so if you guys want like pole videos and stuff in the future when I get like better and can like lift myself up and all that jazz, then let me know, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye!